friends, it's Miss Sarah. This month's character craft is Doc McStuffins. So your kit is going to come with your song lyrics, your Doctor on Duty badge, so you'll cut that out and put your name on it, a couple different boo-boo band-aids, and then your instructions for the rest of the activity. You will need to cut out your Doc McStuffins stethoscope and you'll glue it and then you'll tape it together, and it looks like this when you're done, so you can be a whole doctor. You will also have an x-ray of a teddy bear, and with that it's going to come with a few Q-tips, and you're just going to place the Q-tips where your bones are on your teddy bear. The cutting and gluing for our adults helps with fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and with the glue, the sensory concept of stickiness. So once you've decided what's wrong with your Mr. Bear, you will also color and cut out the actual bear, not just his x-ray. And you'll have all of your boo-boo band-aids, so you can glue or tape those where he's got a boo-boo. How cute is that? All right, you'll also have your D for doctor. Don't forget to color that in so we can learn our letter D this month. And then some fun activities. We have tracing and coloring. We also have some cutting and more cutting and pasting activities. So you'll have your shapes and you just have to glue them on to where the shape matches. So our rectangle goes with our rectangle. And then this month, we also have a size sequences. So you will cut out each one of these rectangles and you'll put them in order of biggest to smallest, or smallest little rectangle to biggest, but you'll want to put them in order so you can learn that. And then we have a fun Doc McStuffin puzzle, which you will just cut out and put together. Okay, my friends, so the first book we're reading today is Doc McStuffins' Dusty Bear. Ready or not, here I come, shouts Doc McStuffins. Doc is playing hide and seek with Lammy and Stuffy, but when Stuffy trips over a pile of boxes in the hall closet, it doesn't take long for Doc to find them. Are you two okay? She asked the stuffed toys. We're fine, giggles Lammy. Doc notices something familiar in one of the boxes. It's a stuffed bear named Teddy B. He used to be her brother's favorite toy. Donnie and Teddy B went everywhere together. I bet Donnie doesn't even know he's here, said Doc. He'll be so happy to see Teddy B. Doc races to her brother's room. I found something that's going to make you very happy, she tells him. Wow, I've missed you so much, Teddy B, Donnie says, giving the bear a big squeeze. I have so many things to show you and lots of new friends for you to meet. But all of a sudden, Donnie begins to sneeze. Achoo! Then he sneezes again and again. Achoo! 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 Poor Donnie can't stop sneezing. Tears start to well in his eyes, and his nose gets all stuffed up. Doc is concerned. Donnie, are you okay? I forgot. This is why I can't play with him, Donnie says, glumly. Achoo! He holds up the teddy bear. Thanks for surprising me, Doc, but achoo! I think you better take Teddy B away. Doc feels awful for her little brother. She takes the stuffed bear and leaves Donnie's room. As soon as she's out of the door, Donnie stops sneezing. Doc takes Lammy, Stuffy, and Teddy B to her room. Doc's stethoscope starts to glow and all the toys come to life. I'm so sorry, Teddy B, Doc tells the bear. It's okay, he says sadly. I'm just not Donnie's toy anymore. Doc has an idea. Teddy B, there's something about you that makes Donnie sneeze, she says. Let's see if we can find out what it is. Doc brings Teddy B to her clinic. Haley, Chili, and Squeakers greet him in the waiting room and welcome him. Wow, hi everybody, Teddy B says with a smile. Doc explains that Donnie had to stop playing with Teddy B. All the toys huddle around and give him a big hug. That's a nice bear hug, giggles Teddy B. Donnie grabs her doctor bag. Doc grabs her doctor bag. Okay, Teddy B, it's time for your checkup. First, Doc listens to his heartbeat and checks his eyes and ears. Now I'm going to test your reflexes by gently tapping your knee with my rubber hammer, Doc explains. As Doc taps Teddy B's knee, a cloud of dust flies up into the air. Lammy and Stuffy start to cough. Wow, that is some dusty, dusty dust, croaks Lammy. Doc has a diagnosis. She draws a picture in her big book of boo-boos. Teddy B has a bad case of the dusty musties, she reports. Teddy B gasps. What does that mean? It means you're full of dust, and that's what's making Donnie sneeze, said Doc. He has allergies. Lammy and Stuffy follow Doc and Teddy B into the house. On the way, Doc explains her plan to Teddy B. All we have to do is cure you to wash off the dust. All we have to do to cure you is wash off the dust. It's that simple. Inside, Doc asks her mom if she'll help wash away Teddy B's dusty musties. Mom inspects the bear and agrees with Doc's plan. I second your diagnosis, she says. A good wash is just what this bear needs. Doc and the toys wait by the washing machine while Mom goes to get a fresh bottle of laundry soap. Teddy B looks at the big washing machine in front of him. He's never been washed before. Are you ready for this? Doc asked him. I'll do anything to be Donnie's toy again, he replies, but I have to admit, I'm a little scared. You shouldn't be scared, right? Lammy and Stuffy want to help Teddy B. They know he's feeling nervous about getting washed. Lammy has an idea. What if we go in the washing machine with you, she suggests. Stuffy turns to Doc. Ooh, can we, he asks. Well, you both could certainly use a wash, said Doc. That sounds like a great idea. When Doc's mom returns with the soap, Doc places the toys in the washer and gently closes the door. Teddy B feels so much braver having his new friends come along with him. With a little soap and water, these toys will be clean and fresh in no time at all, Mom explains. She puts laundry soap in the machine and then pushes the start button. Beep. Soon the toys are ready. They feel clean and smell great after the wash. That was fun, Teddy B tells Doc. And look at me, I'm clean, no dust. Doc gently taps his knee, and no more dust clouds. I'm happy to report that you are officially cured of the dusty musties, she says. Are you ready to see Donnie now? Asks Doc. Boy, am I, shouts the bear. Doc brings Teddy B outside to see Donnie. She tells her brother about the dusty musties. But Teddy is cured, she assures Donnie. He won't make you sneeze now. Donnie gives the bear a hug and doesn't sneeze. His sister was right. Thanks, Doc, he says excitedly. It's great to have him back again. Come on, Teddy B, let's go play. No more dusty musties for Teddy B. Cheers, Lammy. Great job, Doc, adds Stuffy. Thank you guys, said Doc, but I couldn't have done it without you. That's it, my friends. Good job from Doc McStuffins. Okay, so next you're gonna pull out your lyric sheets and we have a song called 5 Little Monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One jumped up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. We have 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now we have 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One more, one little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Good job, friends. So we have one more book today, and that is Peach's Pie Take a Bath. It's a rainy day. Doc is at Emmy's house. Emmy and Alma are sisters. Alma has a new doll. Her name is Peach's Pie. She smells like peaches. That would be cool. I would love a doll that smells like pie. Rudy the dog runs in. He is all wet. Rudy grabs Peach's Pie. Come back, Rudy. The girls chase Rudy. Let's go, said Alma. Rudy, let's go. Peach's Pie is all wet. She smells like wet dog. Alma is sad. Doc will help. The doc is in. The toys come to life. She's got her magic stethoscope. Something smells like wet dog, says Peach's Pie. The king wants a checkup. Doc will see him first. Lammy starts her dance class. Peaches is a good dancer. Hermie dances close to Peaches. Her dress is smelly. Ooh. Doc is ready for Peaches. Time for your checkup, she says. Chili whispers to Doc, her dress smells bad. You have soggy dog atosis, says Doc. Peaches is sad. Oh no, how do you think we cure that? Doc knows what to do. Peach's Pie needs a bath. Do you think it'll work? Let's find out. Everyone helps Peaches get clean. You're all sweet as pie, Peaches says. Peach's Pie is peachy clean. Oh, Emmy and Elmer are coming. The toys go stuffed. Peach's Pie smells like peaches again. Peaches feels better. She is ready to go home. Thanks, Doc. So that one is much quicker, but that was Peach's Pie Takes a Bath. Well, friends, I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you put your name tag on your stethoscope, and if you have a real stuffed animal, you can always put Band-Aids and take care of them as well. Until next month, bye, friends.